Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I opened my mail at 9 am in the morning and I also check my rental channel, Meta Team also, and refresh my mail inbox, and then I add my KGG ads, and also over there some tenants or comments and I reply them, and I set their detail on rental channel. Please check it over here, and I go to then my VA task management. So VA task manager, you give us this schedule work, and I also work on that and set it on the supplier channel. Please check out over there. And also today I am also trying to get file from UPC, and today I am also miss it. Today he show me this at 100 it is fixed, and it is not working. Then it's not finished actually. Maybe something has problem. Okay, I'm trying next time, and I'm also watch the video, try to properly and understand, and the weekend I will watch over there also and try to understand, and I work on KG ads also, and this three guys are set of their detail on here. So, and this is my daily today's work. This is end of week, so after weekend we'll meet again. So thank you for my watching video. Bye.